Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
It's Parkus, a new and unique mechanical bicycle lift for parking bicycles in small spaces. You can use Parkus in your garage, on your balcony, in your office, or wherever you like. This vertical bicycle lift is simple, fun, and easy to use. It's cool when everything's in its place, right? Parkus is a perfect space-saving solution and a fun way to park your bicycle.
I can't. He walks around looking like a...
Back and body hair got you looking like an ape? Stop the painful waxing and therapy sessions and get yourself the Backblade, the easiest do-it-yourself back and body shaver on the planet. The Backblade is extremely easy to use. The unique patented safety blades leave a smooth shave and are designed to minimize the risk of cutting. They feel just like a back scratcher. Backblade 2.0 also features an S-shaped ergonomic handle design, giving you a full range of motion so you can shave all of those hard-to-reach areas. The Backblade leaves no stubble behind, and with a detachable head, you can shave much more than just your back. If you need to change blades, simply slide the old ones out and the new ones in. Best of all, the Backblade can be used both wet or dry. Don't be an ape. Shave your own back. Isn't it about time you put the man back in manscaping?
company that reinvented the whiteboard, comes a powerful new display. Now, everyone can contribute to a meeting, from anywhere, on any device. Introducing SmartCap IQ, the display reimagined. Getting started is simple. Just pair your phone, invite your colleagues, and start working. Multi-way inking means that team members can actively engage in the conversation no matter where they are. All you need is a pen or your finger. Taking an idea elsewhere is simple too. Capture, save, and share your work with ease. And pick up where you left off, whenever you like. Cap IQ wasn't just designed to be a whiteboard either. It's also a stunning Ultra HD display with Smart's patented touch and digital ink technology. Which means you don't just have a front-of-room display. Now you have a simple, yet powerful collaboration tool. The kind that keeps your team on the same page. No matter where they are, how they work, or how fast they're moving. SmartCap IQ. The display for the connected world.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus. Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera by Nanda.
Have you ever felt uncomfortable when speaking over the phone in public places or open space? Introducing HushMe, the world's first mask for mobile phones. HushMe is a personal acoustic device that protects speech privacy in open space environments by using exclusive passive voice suppression and active voice masking technology. A stylish, ergonomic design for long-term wear. HushMe. Keep talking.